Emily has a class today, but not on the main campus. She needs to travel across the city by train. All week, she has been taking the same express train every morning. It is the quickest route. The express is always packed. Every morning, passengers are pressed together, shoulder to shoulder. She has gotten used to it. She barely notices the crowd anymore. It is not comfortable, but it is just part of the routine. Today she is running a little late. She hurries through the station toward the platform. She steps onto the escalator and looks up. She can see the train waiting at the platform above. And then the doors close. The train pulls smoothly away. She is still on the escalator, still rising, watching it go. She missed it by just a few seconds. She steps off onto an almost empty platform and checks her phone. There is another train due in a few minutes, a semi-express. It makes more stops, but it will still get her there on time. She waits. When the semi-express arrives, she steps on. She looks around. It is noticeably less crowded than the express. There are empty seats. She finds one near the door and sits down. She hasn't had a seat on a morning commute all week. It feels almost unfamiliar. She takes out her iPad and opens her notes from the last lecture. Today's class will pick up from where they left off. She starts to read through her notes. The train moves through the city. Streets and buildings pass by outside the window. Inside, it is quiet. She reads without rushing. By the time the train reaches her stop, she has worked through most of her notes. She puts her iPad away and steps off onto the platform. She walks to the building and arrives on time. She feels prepared. The class goes well. Afterward, she finds herself thinking back to the morning. She thinks about standing on that escalator, watching the express pull away from the platform. At that time, she was certain she was going to be late. But she wasn't. The semi-express got her there on time, and she had a seat the whole way. She reviewed her notes. She arrived feeling calm and ready. Tomorrow is her last day at this campus. She will take the same train one more time, and she's already wondering, should she try to miss the express on purpose? She doesn't know yet, but she is thinking about it.